Are you looking for the best leaf blowers? In this video we will look at some of the 3 best leaf blowers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best overall leaf blower. When it came to nearly every metric we tested, the Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 IB blew the competition away. While on turbo at 5 from the nozzle, the blower ran a whopping 1,105 CFM at 153 miles per hour, providing more than enough muscle for larger and tougher jobs. Not only does it pack a punch, but its battery is long-lasting. We ran it on high for over 37 minutes, more than 12 minutes longer than the next model. Fine-tuning the power output is also a cinch. Our head tester said, it has an easy-to-use variable trigger, cruise control button, and turbo boost button, which allows for supreme control of power. Husqvarna's battery system is compatible with multiple tools in their lineup. Though the Husqvarna earned a perfect score in our power test, there were some minor downsides. In turbo mode, this leaf blower has so much power that it can be hard to control at times, and the nozzle can nosedive. Using it ambidextrously can be challenging, as we weighed it at 10.2 pounds. The 350 IB is also a big investment. If you want to save some money but still want a high-performance tool, the Ego Power Plus 615 CFM blower LB6151 is the way to go. Specifications: nominal voltage 36 V. Included battery size 7.5 Ah. Measured weight with battery 10.2. Measured run time on highest standard mode 37.4 minutes. Measured charge time 70 minutes. Number 2. Best bang for the buck. Ego Power Plus S specialty is cordless electric yard maintenance tools, so it comes as no surprise that the Ego Power Plus 615 CFM blower earned an award in our review. Power is essential when choosing battery-operated tools, and this model delivers plenty of it. The dial allows you to set your desired power level easily and effectively, and the turbo button truly embraces the word turbo, providing plenty of extra power on demand. On top of its blowing performance, we found it to be highly ergonomic. According to our head tester, it has stellar balance, practically no vibration, and it's made to use with either hand. It has a respectable runtime of 16 minutes under normal use with the included 2.5 amp-hour battery. The batteries also charge faster than any other brand in our lineup. Another notable advantage to the Ego is its battery compatibility. You can upgrade to larger Ego brand batteries or swap batteries between your other Ego Power Plus yard tools. Best of all, the Ego 615's price point is below average, even though it performs much better than several models with higher price tags. A minor gripe we have with this powerhouse is that its high power output creates a tendency for the tip to dive in turbo mode, making the operator use a bit more effort, which quickly becomes tiring. Even so, we think this is a small sacrifice for the overall fantastic performance the Ego Power Plus 615 offers. If this leaf blower has more power than you need, a lower voltage version such as the eWork EK01GYG might suit you well. Specifications: nominal voltage 56 V. Included battery size 2.5 Ah. Measured weight with battery 3.54 kg 7.8 pounds. Measured run time on highest standard mode 16.0 minutes. Measured charge time 45 minutes. Number 3. A highly affordable light-duty blower. When looking for the most economical cordless blower that can tackle some of those smaller jobs quickly, the eWork EK01GYG is an absolute ace in our book. It's not the most powerful, but for the price, I found it sufficient for quick and easy clean UPS, said our lead tester. It's one of the lightest models, weighing just barely 5 pounds with the battery attached. Throughout our rigorous testing, we found the blower allowed for supreme control and ambidexterity, scoring quite well in our ergonomics test. This nimble tool can be used by nearly anyone in the household to complete some weekend chores or a quick cleanup. One of our favorite bonus features is an easy-to-use turbo button, which we tested at a reasonable 510 CFM. This leaf blower has a budget-friendly price tag and also comes with 2 batteries that took us only 60 minutes to charge, giving some added juice for longer use. While the eWork EK01GYG is lightweight and a good value, it has some shortcomings that may not work well if you need to tackle tougher jobs. It has a shorter runtime of 12 minutes and 29 seconds before the batteries go out. After testing both airflow and speed of the eWork, we found that it only had 85 miles per hour wind speed on turbo, so it's tough to move or push around anything other than leaves. Unfortunately, the batteries to the eWork are specifically designed for this blower, meaning these batteries will only work in this unit. As far as tools or batteries go, there are no other options. If you want serious power, a longer runtime, and more selection on a range of tools and batteries, check out the Husqvarna Leaf Blaster 350 IB, which we tested at over 37 minutes, making bigger jobs a piece of cake. Specifications: nominal voltage 21 V. Included battery size 3Ah. Measured weight with battery 5. Measured runtime on highest standard mode 12.5 minutes. Measured charge time 60 minutes.